welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! So today's video is going to be a wig review from Eullair hair. So this is Eullair.com and they sell different bundles, wigs, all of that. But you guys, wigs that I'm showing you today, I am so freaking impressed. Like, this is the first time I tried this company and I am like beyond impressed compared to like so many companies I've ever tried before, and I'm not just saying that, like on some real ish, and you guys will see. I have never been able to get a wig from a company and just slap it on and leave. This wig, you cut the lace and you can go. It's literally perfect. Obviously you're gonna have to, you know, touch it up with like your straightener or maybe add a couple curls if you want. But other than that, like, you don't have to bleach the knots. I'm not gonna have to, you know, do this or bleach the lace or do this or whatever, like, or pluck it. It's good already. And the wig is under $100. I believe the one I'm showing you is around 80. And it's human hair. It's the perfect density. It's the perfect thickness, like, everything! So I have a 14-inch bob, a 20-inch body wave, and a 22-inch straight lace front wig that I'm gonna show you guys today. So we're just gonna go ahead. I will get to the packaging and all that because one of them I left packaged so you guys can, you know, see how they wrap it up and all that. But everything comes in this little bag, which I thought was cute because, you know, typically these companies send those cheap looking cardboard boxes, which there's nothing wrong with that, but I like that they added this little touch with a bag. The first one I'm going to show you guys is the 14-inch bob because this was the one that I tried on and I literally screamed because I was like, oh my gosh, like this is so good. Like this is gonna make my life so easy because wigs, like it'll take you like a good hour or two sometimes to really get it looking a certain way. But this one, pretty confident about. So this is the 14-inch bob wig, has lace in the front. As you can see, it is lace from ear to ear, and then you have the sewn on tracks in the back. Comes with 4 clips, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. And it has the adjustable, you know, straps as well. I personally do not like to use the clips on the sides because, fun fact, it rips out your edges. So you don't have to use them, but if you do use them, just be aware of that. If you've noticed a decline in your edges area, it's probably your clips, sis. Or you're braiding your hair too tight. So, are y'all ready? Bitch, bitch, bitch. Hello, hello. Do you guys see that? I look like a suburban mom. And I'm okay with it for some reason. Gosh, I look like a mom. Imagine a stroller. I am so happy with this wig. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, they like, this is perfect! I can't wait to straighten this. You know, I just can't wait. I just can't wait to do things with this. You're gonna see me wearing this wig a lot. Like, I am so happy with this one. Like, this is my like goal length right now. Like, my hair at the bottom of my hair is literally this long. But like, no, it's like right here. But then the rest of my hair is like that length too. So it's awkward. But I can't wait until my hair gets to this. So until then, we're wearing this wig. By the way, you guys, I'm doing my 1-year hair update in a couple of days. I'm not sure if this video is gonna go out before or after, but February 2nd is my 1-year anniversary since I shaved my head completely bald. But I'm excited to show you guys because I have been taking photos almost every single day, so it's gonna be a little bit of a slideshow where you can see me go from bald to having the hair that I do now. See this wig? Oh my gosh, like, oh my goodness, this wig is everything. Everything I needed and didn't. So this is the first one, like I said. This is the 14-inch bob, and just wow. Like, I am already so impressed because, like I said, so many wigs, you just have to do so much work to them, especially if they're giving you a good deal. So this is the 20-inch body wave. As you can see, I have messed with it a bit. I did actually go through it with this comb because I was like, let me see if this is gonna shed real quick, and guess what? Nothing. This hair is not shedding at all, and I really appreciate that because I have before done this and it just been clobs, 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 hair falling out. But that means that they sewed on their tracks good, and they also made their tracks well, because obviously when you know, the whole process of going from scalp to bundle, they have to sew on those individual hairs to those tracks. Like, they have to take the time to do that. And if they don't do it properly, the hair is going to just fall off the track. But clearly, they did a good job. So I'm gonna show you guys what this hair looks like on. This is the same as the last. Adjustable band, has the 4 clips on the inside. Except this one, as you can see, has, if you could even see it, it has baby hairs already put onto the wig. So that's really nice if you don't know how to cut baby hairs yourself, aka me. I always make them look choppy. So I appreciate when they already have them on. So, let's see. We have another middle part, as you guys can see, but I shouldn't have brushed it out too much. Hopefully you guys can get the gist of it. This is what the baby hairs look like. You know, fix this one just a little bit, but you guys can see the part is already there just like the last wig, and you do have the baby hairs going along this, because you know some people like baby hairs. If you don't, you could choose to cut them off when you cut the lace, but I wouldn't do that. I'll actually wet it right now, so hopefully like by the end of the video I can show you guys what it's supposed to look like. I went ahead and added some water to the wig, so you guys can already see what the pattern is, and it's a really beautiful pattern. So I'm gonna like set this down on its side so it doesn't get all wrinkled up again. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the last wig, and I left it in its packaging because I wanted to show you guys how the wigs actually come. So they all come inside of the little baggie, but this is how it comes in a hairnet. They all have this little string attached to the end of them, which is so annoying because I ain't trying to walk a whole 3 feet that way to get some scissors. And then on the inside, they put a little bit of paper in there, obviously to keep its form. But let's see. This feels good. Okay. So as you can see, this is how it comes. The natural part, you can see it like right there. You can see where they like plucked it, but maybe I have to put it on first. Like the last, this one has 4 clips and adjustable strap. I don't know if they put this on purpose, probably, but like there's this like soft material right here. I don't know if that's to collect sweat from the back of my neck or if that's for comfort, but let's see, where's the part at? Where are you? I can see you, come through. This one isn't so throw on your head and go, but I am not mad at all. I am not mad at all. This is perfect. This is actually perfect. The amount of hair that you get. I'm obviously, oh honey, if you don't have a 360 lace, don't put your wig up in a ponytail, we can tell. But feels really good. I love it. Oh, the hair, like the quality of the hair feels so good. Just everything. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm so happy. So this is how this one looks like. I'm super, super happy about it. Also a very good wig. Why have I not tried this company sooner? Like, I'm kind of mad at myself. I spent thousands of dollars on wigs, you guys, and sometimes have been very unsatisfied. And then you gotta go through that whole process with the customer service that doesn't decide to respond ever. So I am very, very impressed with these 3 wigs that I got today. So you guys are gonna definitely see me wearing these once in a while. Once I customize them, I'll post something either on Instagram or on my story on Instagram, so make sure you guys go follow me at simplynessa15. Thanks, I appreciate it. And I will post this so you guys can see how the hair looks once it's all customized, because yeah, I'm probably gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna start plucking all these and really, you know, making them look super, super good as if they don't already. But you know, I'ma really get them popping. So these are the 3 wigs that I got from Eullair.com. If you guys are interested in trying out any of these wigs, I'll put all of the information in the description below, as well as the links to these wigs specifically, any information on them as well. So yeah, I'm like just staring at all 3 of them like, my babies, I'm so excited, you're welcome to the family. I literally have so many wigs, and I will do a wig collection for you guys one day. I just gotta take the time because that video will take a minute because I have a lot of wigs. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys all in my next one.